Good morning, all the student of class 3. Welcome back to your math class. So, which day you having math class, student? Can you tell me which day you having math class? Sorry, math exam? Tomorrow. So, tomorrow you having math exam. Okay. So, how's your preparation, student? How's your preparation? Tell me, how is your preparation? Good, very good. So, all of you know na your term 1 or assessment 2 syllabus. Everybody know na the syllabus? I have uploaded. I think everybody checked from my portal. Okay, so today we will do some revision. So you can write down the maths on your copy and you can do with me, or else you can only answer me. So the choice is yours. So let's start. Okay. So do with me, and everybody mute their audio.
റിവിഷൻ പറഞ്ഞോ അച്ഛാ ഞാൻ വല്ല ക്ലാസ്സിന് എത്തിക്കോട്ടെ ശരി ശരി ശരി
Okay, the first thing that I am given here 15. Okay, 15 minus 4 equal to 8 plus dash. Now the options are 3, number B is 4, number C is 6, number D is 5. Aniket, can you see the board? Board is important. Aniket, can you see the board? No. So Aniket, cut the call and then after that join the class once again. Okay? Cut the class and then after that join the class. So 15 minus 4 equal to 8 plus something that you have to be do. Now what we have to be do? Now see 15 minus 4. So if we subtract 4 from 15 we will get 11. Now equal sign is there. That means this side also we have to be make it 11. So 8 is already there, and with 8 which number we have to be add to make it 11? So after 8 9 10 11. So 3. So we have to be add 3 to make it 11. So 3 is the answer. Okay. Now number 2. Number 2 is the place value of 0 in 2305 is dash. The place value of 0 in 2305 is 0. Okay. Very good, Shauri. Tens. Why tens, Tofik? 0. Good. Because we know that the place value of 0 is always 0. Now, the third number. Now the third number. Okay. difference. The difference between the place and face value of two in 5263 is dash 0, number 2 is 2, number C is 198, number D is 200. Read the question. The difference between the place and face value of 2 in 5263 is. Good. It's 198. Why it's 198, student? Aniket, cut the call and left the class and then want to rejoin once again. Other student can see the board properly. Students, can you see the board properly and my writing? Yes, okay. So, the difference between the place and face value of 2. Now, see student, 2 here is in the 100 place, isn't it? So, 200 is the place value. And what is the face value? 2. And now they are saying difference, means subtraction. So, if we subtract, we will get 198. So, 198 is the answer. Everybody understand now? Very good. Now, number 4. Number 4 is in which of the following, in which of the following number the place value of the bold digit is not equal to its face value. In which of the following number the place value of the bold digit is not equal to its face value? So, the options are 5300. So, here I am writing 0 in a bold manner. Then 6150. 2 here is in bold, okay? Can you see the board properly? Okay. Now, number C.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 6 is C is 5, 9, 7, 4. So 4 is here in a bold. And number D. Two. In which of the following number the place value of the bold digit is not equal to its face value? Which will be the answer? Tell me. Is not equal. It's not equal. In which of the following number the place value of the bold digits is not equal to its face value? Now see number A, student, 5306. Now 0 is here bold. Now what is the place value of 0 here? 0, and the face value is also 0. So it become equal. They are saying not equal. Not equal. So number A will not be the answer. Read the question carefully. In which of the following number the place value of the bold digit is not equal? Not equal. They are saying not equal. 2702. Tofik has told 2702. Anyone having something, another answer? Now you have to be also tell me the reason why you are choosing this answer. Number D. Okay. Now see the board clearly. Okay, now see number B. Number B here 2 is in bold, but 2 is in ones place. So 2's place value is 2 and face value is also 2. So it become equal. So number B will not be the answer. Now number C. Here also the bold digit 4 is in the ones place. So its place value is 4 and the face value is also 4. So it will also become equal. So it will not be the answer. Now number D. In number D, 7 is in the bold. 7 is the bold digit. Now see, 7's position is 100. 7 is in the 100 place. So 7's place value is 700 and face value is only 7. So it become not equal. So for that, number D will be the answer. Do you understand why? Okay. Now we will move for the next. Number 5. Number 5 is how many corners a pencil box has? How many corner a pencil box has? 6. Number B is 8. Number C is 10. And number D is 12. How many corners? 8. Very good. Because the shape of a pencil box is cuboid. So, it having 8 corners. Very good. Now, the next question. Rafi had 163 candles. Ram gave him 273 more candles. How many candles does Rafi have now? Four hundred 63 and 436. Which one is the correct? Rafi had 163 candles and Ram gave him 273 more candles. So definitely it will be the addition. So 163 plus 273. Now 3 plus 3 is 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. So 3 is there, 1 carry. 2 plus 1 is 3 and it's 4. Carry 1. So 436. 436. Yes. So 436 candles. So so see, once again check it. 3 plus 3 is 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. 3 is there. 1 carry. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus carry 1 is 4. So 436 candles, isn't it? away 53 from 85. We get dash. How much we will get? Take away 53 from 85. We get dash. 32. Take away means student. Take away means what? Can you tell me? What does it mean? Yes, it's subtraction. So, from where we have to be subtract? From 83, 85. So, 85 minus 53. So, if we do the subtraction, we will get 32, isn't it? 32 is the answer. Very good. Okay. Now, okay, the next one. Thirty 30 hundredths equal to dash dash thousands. Is it 3 or 30 or 1? Tell me. 30 hundredths equal to dash thousands. Diksha, 1000? 30 hundredths means 30 into hundreds. It becomes 3000. So it becomes 3000. So it will become 3000s. Yes. Shostab, Aniket, Shauri, Ankon, Kritika all have given the answer correct. So this is 9 number. A line M N. A line M N is represented by dash. How? In this way or Mn one side arrow or M in dash or only Mn. Which one? Say. First one, second one, third one or fourth one? Option first. Yes. A line MN is represented by this one, double side arrow. Isn't it? Very good. Now, mute the audio. Choose the odd one out. Okay? I'm given here the answer. Option. Okay. May. Number B is November. November. Number C is July. Number D is August. Among those four, which one is the odd? You have to tell me. November. Very good. Why November? Because here May, July and August, all those 3 months having 31 days except November, because November having only 30 days. Very good. Okay. That's all for today. Okay. Up to this much we will revise today. Okay. So student, practice all the things that is mentioned in your syllabus. I mean addition, subtraction and also the story sums, addition, subtraction, practice all those things. Okay. And whenever you will give your math exam now this time, take one rough page, okay, rough page or rough copy for doing the rough, okay. No, tomorrow you having exam, Oniket. Tomorrow you having math exam. So, whenever you having the exam, sit with the rough page, okay. You have to be maybe do the rough for doing the maths. So, sit with your rough paper, okay. And wishing all of you a good luck for your math class, sorry, math exam. Don't worry, your math exam will be good. And listen one thing, that whenever you will give the answer or you will do the calculation, revised once again. After doing any addition or subtraction or subtraction, revise the calculation once again, okay? There is no hurry, you will get lots of times, okay? So, don't be hurry. Bye-bye, have a good day. All of you, stay good.